Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're in the meeting and ready to share. First, join the call and confirm your mic and camera settings. Make sure your browser has screen share permissions. Then, prepare the exact window or browser tab you'll show. Close private files and stop notifications. Once done, click the Present Now button in the bottom right of the Meet window. You'll see options for your entire screen, a window, or a tab. Choose the option that matches what you prepared. Now you choose precisely what to share and why. If you need to show multiple apps, pick your entire screen. If privacy matters, choose a window. For smooth video, pick a tab and enable Share Audio. Click the specific screen, window, or tab thumbnail so you see a blue highlight. This confirms selection. Then press Share. After sharing, glance at the floating preview in Meet to confirm viewers see the right content, and speak to check audio levels if you included sound. Finish by clicking Stop presenting when you're done, or hand off by telling the next presenter to click Present Now. If participants see a black or frozen screen, stop sharing and try selecting the window or tab again. Sometimes a reload of the Meet tab fixes capture issues. If audio is missing when sharing a tab, make sure Share Audio was checked, and verify your system and browser audio permissions. One quick tip: close and reopen the shared app if the feed still fails.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.